Join me as I dive into the challenge of getting certified in the top cybersecurity certifications for 2025. Can I boost my career and stay ahead in this fast-paced field? In this video, we're exploring the top cybersecurity certifications you should consider to elevate your career in 2025. With the rapid evolution of cyber threats, many professionals find it challenging to stay relevant and competitive in the job market. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest threats and technologies is crucial to remain competitive. The truth is, the threat landscape is changing faster than ever before, and companies are struggling to keep up. As a result, cybersecurity professionals are in high demand, but only if they have the right skills and certifications. Many professionals feel like they're stuck in a rut, unsure of how to take their career to the next level. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and feel like you're not making progress towards your long-term goals. But the truth is, investing in your skills and certifications can pay off big time in the long run. Whether you're looking to switch careers or advance in your current role, having the right certifications can open doors to new opportunities. So, how do you get started? What certifications are worth your time and effort? We'll discuss various certifications, such as CISSP, CEH, and CompTIA Security Plus, and how they can open doors to new opportunities. One of the most well-known and respected certifications in the industry is the CISSP. With over 150,000 certified professionals worldwide, it's clear that this certification is in high demand. But what sets it apart from other certifications? For starters, the CISSP covers a broad range of topics, from security and risk management to software development and communication. Another popular certification is the CEH, which focuses on ethical hacking and penetration testing. This certification is perfect for those who want to learn how to think like a hacker and stay one step ahead of cyber threats. But that's not all. We'll also cover the CompTIA Security Plus, a great entry-level certification that covers the basics of security and risk management. Whether you're new to the field or looking to advance your skills, these certifications can help you get ahead. The most sought-after certification in 2025 will be revealed, along with insights from industry experts on why it stands out. So, what's the most sought-after certification in 2025? According to industry experts, it's the CISSP. But why is it so highly sought after? For starters, it's a broad certification that covers a wide range of topics, making it a great choice for those who want to work in a variety of roles. Additionally, it's highly regarded in the industry, and certified professionals can expect to see a significant increase in salary and job opportunities. To summarize, obtaining the right certifications can significantly boost your career in cybersecurity, making you a valuable asset to employers. In today's job market, having the right skills and certifications is crucial to staying competitive and advancing your career. Don't forget to leave a comment on which certification you're interested in, and check out our next video for more career tips.